Because there's a lot of background noise, please speak loud.
Sure. Just
Oh,
look
a
right
little
at
too close. Okay. A little taller.
little taller.
But the last person I did was a small child, so you're
Okay.
actually taller.
Oh wow, that's a first.
Okay, go ahead, we're live.
My question is, why do dogs eat their own poop?
That was perfect. Thank you.
Because it just tastes so good. When you're a dog, everything tastes good. Trash tastes good. Table scraps taste good. Poop tastes fantastic. Vomit also tastes good. What do you expect? Humans have been training dogs for thousands of years to eat table scraps and everything. And that's what you get.